equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a clean microfiber cloth. Start by powering off your Dell Inspiron and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, carefully remove the battery if your model allows it. This is crucial for your safety during the repair. Now, using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located on the back panel of the laptop. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently pry open the back panel using the plastic spudger. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any clips. With the back panel removed, you'll see the internal components of your laptop. It's a good idea to clean any dust or debris you find inside using the microfiber cloth. This will help maintain the performance of your device. Now, locate the screen assembly. You will need to disconnect the display cable carefully. This is often secured with adhesive, so use the spudger to gently lift it away. If you find this process daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you have expert advice at your fingertips. Next, remove the screws securing the screen to the hinges. There are usually 4 screws, 2 on each side. Once these are removed, you can lift the screen away from the base. Be cautious as the screen is fragile. If you're unsure about handling this, consider our pickup and delivery at your home service, which makes repairs hassle-free. With the old screen removed, it's time to install the new one. Align the new screen with the hinges and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect the display cable, ensuring it's firmly in place. If you need a quote before repair, don't hesitate to reach out to us for a transparent estimate. After securing the new screen, replace the back panel by aligning it properly and pressing down until you hear the clips snap into place. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier to secure the back panel. Finally, reinsert the battery if applicable. Power on your laptop to test the new screen. If everything is functioning correctly, congratulations! You've successfully replaced your Dell Inspiron screen. If you encounter any issues, remember, no calls, no travel. We are here to help with any follow-up support you may need. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.